To make the taco dough, I take maize flour and all-purpose flour in 1:1 ratio, and to this I add a pinch of salt. Use lukewarm water to knead the dough and let the dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Roll out the dough into small discs and make sure it's not very thick. Poke holes on this disc with a fork to make sure it does not puff up. Fry the discs in hot oil and fold it to give the shape while it's still hot. For the filling, I heat little olive oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, I add in onion and cook it till it becomes translucent. To this, I add in tomatoes and bell peppers. Saute it for 2 minutes, and to this, I add chili flakes, oregano, rosemary and nutmeg powder. Saute this for another 2 minutes, and now I add the taco seasoning. Once the mixture is cooked, I add in cottage cheese. Give it a good stir. To this, I add black olives, and there goes our final ingredient, mozzarella cheese. Once the cheese is incorporated, add Mexican seasoning. Mexican seasoning is optional. And there, our filling is ready. To assemble the taco, put a slice of cottage cheese in the taco shell and add the filling, and our vegetarian taco is ready. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on my new updates. Thanks for watching. See you, and Indu signing off. Bye bye.